Hello, my dear Year 1 pupils. Welcome back to our science lesson. I hope that everyone is ready for our lesson today. Before this, we have learned about scientific skills in Unit 1 and science room rules in Unit 2. Therefore, for the next unit, which is Unit 3, we are going to learn about living things and non-living things. Living things.
What are living things?
Living things are organisms which possess life. Benda hidup adalah organisme yang bernyawa.
What are the characteristics of living things?
Okay, let's see the characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things, ciri-ciri benda hidup. Need water and food, breathe, move, grow, and reproduce. Need water and food, breathe, move, grow, and reproduce. Makan dan minum, bernafas, bergerak, membesar, dan membiak. Non-living things.
What about non-living things?
Non-living thing is anything that was never alive. Benda bukan hidup adalah apa-apa sahaja yang tidak bernyawa.
What are the characteristics of non-living things?
Okay, let's see the characteristics of non-living things. Characteristics of non-living things, ciri-ciri benda bukan hidup. Cannot breathe, do not need water and food, cannot reproduce, cannot grow, and it may move. Tidak makan dan minum, tidak bernafas, boleh bergerak atau tidak bergerak, tidak membesar, dan tidak membiak. Would you like to see some examples on living things and non-living things?
Yes!
Human is one of living things. For example, a mother, a boy, a fireman, a teacher, and a baby. As we can see, they are alive, which is bernyawa. They need food and water. They breathe, they grow, they reproduce, and also they can move. The next one is animals and insects. For example, a tiger, an ant, a caterpillar, a fish, and a bird. They are alive. They need food and water. They breathe. They grow. They reproduce. And they move. The next one is plants and flowers. For example, a coconut tree, a grass, a tree, a rose, and a sunflower. As you can see, they are alive. They need food and water. They breathe. They grow. They reproduce, and they move. So these are some examples on non-living things. For example, a car, a house, a t-shirt, a computer, a chair, and a toy. These things are lifeless, tidak bernyawa. They do not need food and water. They do not breathe. They do not grow. They do not reproduce. But they may move. For example, a car, it can move but not a house. Let's check our understanding. Take the box it applies to the picture shown. We can see there's a bird and there's an aeroplane. Let's start with bird first. Does it need water and food? Yes. Can bird move? Yes. Can it reproduce? Yes. Bird lays eggs. Can bird grow? Yes. And can bird breathe? Yes. Next, let's see the airplane. Does it need water and food? No. Can it move? Yes, it flies. And of course it can move. Can it reproduce? No, it does not have baby aeroplane. Can it grow? No. Can it breathe? No. Which one is the living thing? Of course, it's the bird. Why? The bird can move, reproduce, grow, breathe, and needs water and food to stay alive. These characteristics make it as a living thing. Are you ready for the next lesson?
Yes.
Now, we are going to compare living things based on their sizes. Before we start, let's review these numbers. 4, 3, 1, 6, 5, 2. Can you arrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest or biggest value? Let's start with the smallest one. Number 1, followed by number 2. The next one should be 3, followed by number 4. The next one should be 5, and the biggest number is, of course, number 6. Yay! Congratulations! You are able to arrange the numbers in the correct order. Let's proceed to our next lesson, which is small and big. Compare and arrange the pictures. Can you see a lion, a giraffe, and a bird? Let's start with the smallest animal first. The first one should be a bird, followed by a lion, and the biggest animal here is a giraffe. The next one, you can see a buffalo, a rat, and a swan. Of course, the smallest animal should be a rat, followed by a swan, and the largest animal here is a buffalo. Observe the plants in the picture above. You can see grass, paddy, banana plant, and coconut tree. Next, arrange the plants from small to big. Let's start from the first one. The arrangement of the plants from small to big is number 1, grass, number 2, paddy, the third one should be banana plant, and the largest one is the coconut tree. That's all on arranging living things from small to big. Let's proceed on basic needs of living things. As what we have already known, plants, humans, and animals are living things. So, here, living things have 3 basic needs, which are foods, water, and air. However, humans, animals, and plants consume the basic needs in different ways. How are they different? So these are the basic needs of living things: food, air, and water. Let's take a look at the food first. Humans and animals need food to get energy. Plants need food to make their foods. For air, humans and animals need air to breathe. Plants need air to breathe and make food. For water, humans and animals need water to quench thirst or to drink. Meanwhile, plants absorb water to make food. The importance of basic needs for living things. First, we need foods. Foods give us energy. Energy helps us to work, play, or move around. We need foods. Foods help us to grow. Energy helps us to work, play, or move around. That's all for basic needs of living things. Are you ready for the next lesson? I believe that each one of you live in a house. Do you know why we need our house as our shelter? For your information, shelter means tempat berlindung, and your tempat berlindung is rumah. The importance of protection. We need shelter to protect ourselves from rain, hujan, heat, panas, and danger, bahaya. Let's check our understanding. Take a look at the pictures carefully and circle the correct answer. The nest protects birds from danger. The cave protects the lion from, yes, the heat. And the house protects humans from rain and heat. How do we know rain and heat is the answer? As you can see on the picture, there is a sun and there's rain. So sun means heat and rain. So the answers are all in the picture. That's all for today. Rewatch this video for further understanding. Please finish the task given. I'll see you again for the next lesson. Good luck and have a nice day.